Hello friends, welcome to Travel India YouTube channel. In today's video, we would see most scenic train trips in India. So friends, let's know about the most scenic train trips in India. Before proceeding, I'd request to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get such kind of videos as soon as they are released. So friends, as you can see from childhood, we are very much fond of the train journeys. You can see the ask kids what is that excites them the most. One of the first answer that we would get on the train rides. Train journeys have the magic of bringing out the inner child in all of us. Looking out of windows, watching the beautiful sceneries and just immersing in the memories. India is a country that connects almost every nook and corner of the country with its railway lines. It is estimated that 30 million people depend on the railway network for their livelihood daily. Watch the video further to know about some of the most beautiful railway routes in India. And I would request personally go for at least one of these routes so that you can enjoy the nature, enjoy the Indian beauty. So friends, the first such journey is Kendujhar to Bhubaneswar. The eastern state of Orissa has a treat up its sleeves, the train route connecting Kendujhar to Bhubaneswar. Simply put, a traveler can experience both sides of the Odisha on the ride, starting from Kendujhar, a small town known for its many waterfalls, and ending at the busy city of Bhubaneswar. The 5 hour journey is highlighted by the constant presence of gorgeous landscapes, paddy fields, followed by beautiful villages surrounded by the hills. An evening ride offers an evocative sunset, probably the best in Odisha. Goa to Londa. The route traversing the Ghats and connecting Vasco da Gama in Goa to Londa in Karnataka is probably one of the most stunning ones in India. Drink in the village and church domes on this 3.5 hour mini roller coaster of the ride. The train moves up the Western Ghats with a zoom transition into lush green wet mountains dotted with waterfalls including magnificent Dudhsagar gushing down from a height of 1,000 feet. Mumbai to Pune. This 3 hour journey passes through Misty Hill Station in the Ghat. Don't forget to dig into what are probably the best vada pavs on the journey's first major station at Karjat. Then the train climbs up the claggy hills. Cling onto the windows like a child and enjoy the waterfalls. It gets a tad wet and chilly, perfect weather for that cup of chai from a station pit stop. Siliguri to Alipurdar, known as the Doors Voyage, the 3 to 4 hour journey is a gateway to the hills of northeastern India. It passes through several major forests and wildlife sanctuaries including Mahananda, Chapramari, Jaldapara and Boxa. There are numerous stream crossing along this path, so keep your eyes peeled on herds of elephants, deer, monkeys, and birds. If you are lucky, you can spot a tiger at Buxa. The Himalayan Queen Railway route, Kalka to Shimla. This railway route from Kalka to Shimla is widely regarded as one of the most scenic railway lines in the entire country. This route was started in the year 1903 and it passes through 82 bridges and 102 tunnels. This 5 hour journey from Kalka to Shimla might be the longer and more time consuming route on paper, but experience of it compensates for the time spent and makes it worthy for every minute. This route has the Guinness World Record for the steepest rise in altitude during its 96-kilometer ride. The toy train that are used for this route are the second most popular attraction of this experience, only next to the amazing views that it offers. The toy trains of Himalayan Queen railway route evokes a sense of playfulness and bridges out inner child in you. It also quite filmy, if you will. This route will take you through the pine tree and oak forest valleys, Deodar, rhododendron forest, and moves upward towards the beauty that is Shimla. This railway route was inducted into the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the year 2008. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway Route, Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway Route is yet another route which is world famous for its views and the heritage associated with this toy train mountain ride. This breathtaking toy train journey begins from the plain flat land of Jalpaiguri and moves up towards the beautiful hill station of Darjeeling. Darjeeling is the world famous tea destination, and this train journey will take you through some of the best plantation of tea in the world. The enchanting fragrance of a tea is going to sure take your notice and your breath away. It is regarded as one of the most beautiful railway routes in India. This journey takes you through the Himalayan mountains, tea plantations, valleys, and forest. If you are lucky and if the skies are clear, you can just catch a glimpse of the famous Kanchenjunga mountain peak. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway was recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1999. This is a perfect icing on the cake of your weekend st- station gateway from Kolkata. Pamban Railway Route, Mandapam to Rameswaram. The Pamban railway route is one of the most exciting train journeys that you can take in the country. The Pamban Bridge is the second largest bridge in the country and connects Mandapam to the famous island of Rameswaram in the southern tip of the Tamil Nadu. It could also be considered as one of the most dangerous sections in the train journey, and one should be careful to watch their step if they are to stand at the entryway to check out the view. The reason being the bridge is very narrow and has been built to accommodate only one train at a time. This is the section you are sure to fall in love with, and many people take the train ride just for this section. Kanyakumari to Trivandrum railway route. Continuing with the trend of the best railway lines in the southern tip of the country, we surely have to cover Kanyakumari to Trivandrum railway route. The short train ride from Kanyakumari to Trivandrum is one of the most picturesque train rides in the southern tip of the country. The train ride is sure to tickle the right side of your senses as it takes through the coconut plantations, farms, agricultural land, and the forest. You also pass through some heritage and religious sites in the route. It is a perfect opportunity to experience the transition in the culture through architecture. You can see two different kinds of mandapams and gopurams in the two extremes of the train rides. The short ride is a perfect short weekend getaway experience. Mumbai to Goa railway route. Mumbai and Goa are intertwined with each other when it comes to the vacation narrative. We always keep talking about these two places, one of one for the urban charm and other for its natural beauty. The railroad that connects this is something that offers a stunning experience that increases the anticipation of forthcoming vacation. The route goes through Sahyadri Mountains on one side and Arabian Sea on the other side. The railroad goes through an insane amount of 92 tunnels and 2000 bridges between Mumbai and Goa. It goes through an endless stretch of water, paddy fields, village and coconut farms. Matheran Hill Railway Station. Matheran Hill Railway Route is incidentally the only heritage railway route left in Maharashtra. It is revered railway route by both Mumbaikars and others as well. The peace and tranquility it offers along the heritage experience has so far been unmatched. The Matheran Hill Station Road is a narrow gauge railway line and was built by Akbar Pirbhoi between years 1901 and 1907. It goes through large swaths of forest area and it covers a distance of 20 kilometers. Doesn't matter if you go alone or with a family and friends, this journey will take your mind off things and give you the place peace indeed. This is one of the most beautiful railway routes in India. Jammu Katra train route. Jammu Tawi Katra train route is bit different train ride from the other Indian Railways train routes. Jammu Tawi Katra train route is made very high above the ground and gives an awesome natural scene. Bangalore Kanyakumari train route. Bangalore Kanyakumari train route, another lovely train ride of this southern region of India. Bangalore Kanyakumari train route, all in one train journey, villages, farmstead and many river or pond along the way. Kanyakumari Express is top Indian railway train that takes you to your bliss place, Kanyakumari. Guwahati Silchar train route. The Guwahati to Silchar train ride offers you the stunning outlook of rich green, muddy fields, Assam valleys like Barak Valley. The Guwahati Silchar train ride journeys through the mainly known river Jatinga. With all the morality offered, the Guwahati to Silchar train journey makes it one of the most sensational journey in India. Nilgiri Uti train route. Uti city is an awesome place, but the different routes to reach this place make the trip worth traveling. The Nilgiri Uti train route is a sensational ride with rich green forest and clear blue sky. Mettupalayam Uti train route is also a memorable train ride for travelers in India. Jammu Baramulla train route. Jammu Tawi Baramulla train route gives the pleasure of watching magnificent marvelous of cloud hugs and hugs the mountains. So friends, now you could know the most scenic train trips in India. I hope you like this video. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and have the enjoyable train journey on one of the routes. Thank you very much.